Recording in progress. Okay. Here we need to understand first. Let us log in the ID. So, as a SAP consultant, first we need to log in. Log in into SAP. You need to give the user ID and password. What is our user ID? 30 user 13 and password is 73. Already we log in, again we are logging. That's why the screen is coming. Okay. Here we need to understand this is SAP Easy Access screen. This is for end users, SAP end users. That means finally after installation of SAP in any company, who are going to utilize this software, they are called end users. That means company employees. Company employees are called end users. Company employees are the end users. Here, to enter into our SAP this thing, as a SAP consultant, you are authorized to enter into SAP installation, configuration purpose and everything, modification purpose. We need to use, this is the place where we can give the transaction code. This is the transaction code place. This is the place where transactions can be used. Got my point? Here, we need to understand, this is the place. This is the place where we can give the transaction. This is the place where we can give the transaction code. Try to understand. This is the place. What is the meaning of transaction code? To get into multiple screens, to get into multiple departments. Suppose if I want to enter into MM department, there will be one transaction code. If I want to enter into FICO department, there will be one transaction code. You want to see all the departments at one place, all the modules, then that is called SPRO. So you need to understand what is SPRO. SPRO means, what is SPRO means? Here we need to understand SAP product and reference object. What is SPRO? SAP product reference object. Product and reference object. Reference object. You should know each and every point. This is my idea, so that you will get to know SAP product and reference object. That is SPRO. Here, once you give this transaction code, and you will enter into the screen. You will enter into the screen. This is again. See here, IMG, SAP reference IMG. Click on this implementation guide. SAP reference IMG means implementation guide. You please click on this. Here, now you entered into the departments will be here. Department, CO department, MM, SD, HR, everything will be there. Here, as a MM guy or FICO guy, whoever it is, first we need, in demo sessions I am telling, we need to create the company first. But as a, suppose you join in any company, no need of creating company, because already company will be there, all configurations will be there. If required only we had to do generally. So this is, we need to set up first one company here. For that, here, enterprise structure, all of you see this. There will be enterprise structure. First click on. Next click on definition. Next click on financial accounting. Define company. See this. There is one execute button. This round button is the execute button. Beside there is one specs kind of document is there. Just click on that. you can see what is the company. You can see the documentation. What is company? Say define company. In this step, you can create companies. A company is an organizational unit in accounting which represents a business organization according to the requirements of commercial law in a particular country. What is the meaning of this? A company is an organizational unit in accounting. Suppose you want to really, in real time, in your life, you want to open a company. What you have to do? You need to follow the rules and regulations of India. Central government rules, regulations you need to follow. According to that, we can open a company. Suppose you want to open a company in US. US government rules and regulations we need to follow. That's why they are telling. Company is an organizational unit according to the Indian law or country law, whatever it is. Now, you please click on this. Define company. Here already some companies are existing, you can see. But you want your own company. So, new entries. Here, you can see here 4-digit code is required because with the same name, there will be n number of companies. You see, for example, in normal general life, I am telling, Udupi hotel will be there. Some lakhs of Udupi hotels are there in India. But there is some code is required, unique code is required for your company. That is the reason here every company we need to create some code. Tell me any code, any 4-digit code you can tell me.
NM08.
NM08. NM08. You created or no?
No.
Okay. NM08 I am giving. And here company name Pennar. Pennar already may be there. Did you create any company? No. My name is Pennar. Here, address ITPL, post box number, postal code 560075, city Bangalore. Country, language, English. See, this is the thing. You need to save this. This is the save button. But here, see, request number is not there here. In real time, what will happen? They will use some request number for you. You need to enter the request number. But in demo systems, you need to create one request number. Even in real time also, suppose if they are giving request number, okay. What is the purpose of this pop-up? What is the purpose of this screen? Some small screen came. Do you know what is the meaning of this? I will tell you. For example, here I am giving Pennar. Identification, I am giving Pennar. Now see Pennar company name. What is the short description? Pennar, some code came. See this code. What is the use of this code is? This is for transportation. Suppose you are doing some work. Completion of work, your project manager or project leader will ask you what you did today. Then you can tell that, see, my request number is that. In that request number, you can see what work we did. This is for transportation purpose. Please save this. It is saved. Data was saved. Your company name is Pennar and your company code. This is the company code. NM08. Go back. Company is created. You want to see your company position NM08. See here NM08. Again, you double click here. You can see your company. In the local side.
Applications. जैसे कर सिंक हो गया सर अंडर टीम में क्रिएट जैसा आने साड़ गया था
Suppose same idea you got M08 Pennar company. After creating this, you got it will say already company exists.
అంటే లోకల్ సర్వర్ కదా సార్ అంటే ఇందులో చేయకుండా ఎక్కడన్నా చేసుకోవచ్చు
ఎక్కడైనా చేయొచ్చు.
సపోజ్ అంటే
మెయిల్స్
ఉంటాయి
Access, suppose if you have access, for example, we can understand what is defined company. What is defined credit control area? For example, see, documentation every time you please read. This is my advice. So, what is credit control area? For example, you are running a business. For you, customers will be there. For example, one customer is very close to you. He is old customer, 5 years old customer. And suppose he is asking, he is taking around 1 lakh per year business he is taking, means products he is taking. He will ask you, can you give me 5,000 credit? What you will say? Yes. Because he is doing 1 lakh business, he will say yes. Suppose he is asking 1 lakh credit, what you will say? No. So you are giving limit for your customer. That is called credit control area. You are giving credit limit for your customer. Yeah. Same, the company can give the credit limit for the customer. So here, same thing. Yeah. New entries. To avoid confusion, after some time, what will happen is, suppose credit control area, I am giving some other code. We may forget. So that's why I am giving the same code, whatever I had given for company. NEA? NM08. NM08. Same code I am giving. Currency. We are in India. INR. Indian rupee. See, data for updating SD. SD means sales and distribution. We are MM guys. We are not authorized to go there. So here you see that this credit limit you can give. What is the credit limit I am giving? 10 lakhs I am giving, for example. 9,99,999. Around 10 lakhs I am giving. 1 rupee less. Every time it will save penna. Credit limit given.
Now, how to check this?
Here it is there.
I mean, we have different customers, right?
Yes, for each customer, again, there will be separate this thing. This is credit limit for, we can write when you are saving, no.
For every customer, we have to give only 99,000. That is the credit limit.
Yeah. Credit limit for each customer will be different.
Okay.
Again, that is one separate topic is there.
Okay. Then what is this, sir?
This is general credit limit. This is for a company, whoever the customer, this is. Again, suppose you are my big customer, 10 crore you are giving business, for example. Then CEO permission will take. See, suppose accounts manager permission is different. Manager permission is different. Deputy manager permission is different. CEO permission is different. Then CEO will enter. If such cases, then he will give the credit limit for 2 crores. It depends on this thing. This is general company credit limit.
There are a number of customers.
Yeah. There may be.
How to identify that?
This is. Done. Is it clear?
Yes.
So here, next we need to understand here. Credit limit is over. Next, define business area. See this. What is the meaning of business area? Copy, check company code. This is also there. You see this. Next step is edit, copy, delete, check company code. Edit company code. Click on this. New entries. What is this? New entries. First, you need to know what is this. First of all, I'm sorry, because directly I came here. I will let us see the documentation. What is this? In this activity, you create your company codes. The company code is an organizational unit, and accounting is used to the structure of the business organization from the financial accounting perspective. Here, we recommended that you copy a company code from the existing company code. This has the advantage that you also copy the existing company code, specific parameters if necessary. You can change that. See what will happen. For example, in this step, what we are going to do, I will explain you. For example, let us copy this. We have two options in this: copy, delete, check company code. Copy, delete, check
company code.
What is this? You suppose existing company is there.
If there is any changes, you can make it.
You instead of typing all, see, till now we did a credit control area, we did so many things and all. Correct or not? Suppose there is one existing company you know very well, just you can copy the company code. If you click on this, you will get to know. You can copy. Here, copy option will come. If I click on copy, option will come here. See, from company code to company code.
All the information will be transferred.
All information will be transferred. This is one option.
Okay.
This is one option. Just to close this. I am not using this now right now because I don't know which is existing company, whether it is correct or not. I don't know. That's why what I am doing. Second option I am taking. What is second option? Edit company code I am taking.
Okay.
And new entries.
Okay, edit the details.
New company you are creating. Second one.
Sure. Edit means we have.
No, they are given like that. But originally, we need to create a new company. Now, new entries. What is our company already existing? NM0. Company name. What is city? Country, IN. See, it supports so many countries. Not only India. There are about, I think, around 80 to 90 countries it is supporting. You need to 237 entries found. These many countries it is supporting. But our country is India. Currency. What is our currency? Indian rupee. Language. English. Hindi won't accept
National
language. But see, the advantage is in this step, you can give all your company data, fax numbers, and address, everything, whatnot. See here, company name, pen. Company name, Pennar. Country, IN. Country, IN. Exactly. Details we are giving here. Yes. Here we are giving all the details, language, phone number, mobile number, fax number, everything we are giving. Let us go with the, we'll say this. Is created 08. Got it?
Yes.
So business area. What is the business area? For example, this is kind of branch how many branches you have. Generally, SAP they are taking means most of the time they have some good number of branches. Correct or not? Any big companies have some branches. Here you see this. In this section, you can create business areas. Business area is an organizational unit within accounting that represents a separate area of operations or responsibilities in the business organization. Separate areas. We are in Bangalore, head office is Bangalore. The other branch may be at Delhi. Correct or not? So now we are going to create branches. That is called business area. Let us create the business area. New entries. Here, tell me.
No. Is that areas or is that a department which is inside a particular company?
No. Business area means it is a branch.
Okay.
That is different. Again, you are telling about, suppose in any company there will be 4 departments, main departments: administration, finance, development, production. Correct or not? Again, in the development, again there will be so many departments. Administration also there are so many departments, HR department, so many departments will be there like that. So here, business area. What I am telling, Pennar, right? Our company name Pennar. P. So which branch? This is Delhi branch. P-E-N, Pennar, Kolkata branch. These are the branches. Functional area, see this. This is business area. Functional area means in our company, how many departments are there? That is called same what you asked. Exactly. So here define functional area. What will happen sometimes? Yeah, it's coming. Functional area. See, absolute. What it is saying? There is absolute. The transaction code we had to use. Sometimes what will happen? Means transaction codes it will not work. Means suppose you are clicking here, the next function it is not working. For that, what they will tell here, some transaction code we need to use. What is the transaction code? FM underscore given. See, are you able to see FM underscore function? Here, what we have to do? \n. \n. \n means new screen. \n if we give, it will go to the new screen. Tell me, FM underscore FM underscore function. See. In functional area, good morning. Functional area, administration, admin. You create this in for Pennar. Save this. Functional area. Got my point? So same again. I have created one functional area. Administration we created. Like this, you can create other functional areas. Development. Again, shall I show you? Same. FM underscore function. Instead of admin, keep some other department.